will be a presenter on artificial intelligence. And we know that artificial intelligence will become more and more important because we will be creating, using all new technologies, a huge number of data. And the data are so large that it's going to be very difficult for us to really process these. So we can find perhaps better biomarkers or other correlations that are meaningful for understanding cancer. We will also have a lecture on the use of tumor fragments and how we can use tumor fragments in order to ask really important fundamental questions. And with that, we can understand whether what we expect that these molecules do are truly happening, and why in some tumors immunotherapies, for instance, or other treatments fail to work. So what are the underlying mechanisms of resistance? We will also learn a lot about genomics, a clonal evolution of tumors in time. The whole program is set to really help young investigators understand how they could use within their future research all these technologies that are state of the art now.